Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is bourne-again shell. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is bourne-again shell? The bourne-again shell, commonly known as bash, is a popular Unix shell and command language interpreter. It is an enhanced version of the original Unix shell known as Bourne shell, which was developed by Stephen Bourne. Bash was created by Brian Fox in 1989 as a free and open source alternative to the Bourne shell. It was intended to improve upon the Bourne shell by adding new features and enhancing its usability. Bash is the default shell for most Unix distributions. It is also available on other Unix-like operating systems. Bash provides a common command line interface or CLI for interacting with the operating system. It allows users to execute commands, write shell scripts, and automate various tasks. Some of the features that distinguish Bash from its predecessor in other shells include command line editing, command history, tab completion, and job control. Bash supports a wide range of programming constructs such as loops, conditionals, functions, and variables, making it a powerful scripting language. It also includes various built-in commands and utilities that can be used to manipulate files, process text, and perform system administration tasks. Overall, Bash is a versatile and widely used shell that has become a standard on Unix-like systems due to its features and extensive compatibility. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is bourne-again shell. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.